Hello there. This is Hootie. How you doing? uh, see, my real name's Doyle Allen, but in the groups I've been Hootie for about 20 years or more. Here we're on Nightcafe, kind of show you around with this AI generation kind of thing going on here. Just generalities. I'm not going to get deep into it. Just going to help you get started. So I'm clicked on my creations here, you see, and that shows some of the stuff that I've been doing. But let's go to oh, by the way, I'm using paid for, pay every 3 months on this. So if yours looks a little different, you're using the free version, which is fine. That's where I started. And I'm going to click on create here. And here, text prompt. This is where we type things in. Let's see. Let's type in just anything. See Jane. How about Jane run with her Sunday hat. Just something to create something. Here we got different choices that you can make for how on your outcomes and stuff. Some things you have to pay more for, and I just stay on the basic, which is free, most popular, so that's fine. If you scroll down here a little bit, got the presets. This is like the standard right here. That always comes up on that, and you can choose other things, but if you're just getting started, maybe you just want to leave it on that. And down here we got number of images, and you can create one at a time or four at a time, etc. Got more settings here. If you left click on that, why then you got more to look at. Let's see, I'm going to go 4 images. And see, run time. If you go long, supposedly you're going to get better results. Maybe you will, but it does take longer. Let's see, aspect. That this is the shapes of whatever you're going to create. I'll go 4:3, which is landscape. That's what it shows there. I like this one for creating digital stationery, but for this demo, we'll just use 4:3. And you can click on create, and it will start creating something. And there will be 4 images. It shows that it's running up here. Da, 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 da. Here we have shows 4 images of what it created. That was with see Jane run with her Sunday hat. She looks running there. I don't know about these other 3 though. Now, what we could do is down at the bottom you have 5 images showing, and the first one is this example of 4 shots. You can left click on them and go through them. So she looks pretty good. Oh no, I don't know. She don't look too friendly. Like I say, I thought this was the best one. If you're going to try to zero in on what target you have in mind, pick the one that you like best, that shows what you wanted. And right here we got a little eye set as main image. If I left click on that, the next generation of images will take what was shown in this image and use some of the aspects of that for your next creations. See what the other one is here. Well, that's pretty good too, but she's not running. We said we wanted to see her running, so. Now if you want to save, you can right click on whichever one you want. And you see it says WebP. There's some people that don't have a viewer for WebP, and maybe you want to share in a group or something. So you would probably want JPEG instead. So cancel that. If you go down here to where it says more, left click on that, there's your download option. So I could click to download, and it will download to my downloads folder, and that's the same as what it will do for you. So that's kind of your way around. And if you want to change things like, let's see, with her new dress, we'll say new dress. You can go ahead and do that. I'll go one image this time just to get it going. But you see, you don't have to use long descriptions unless you want to. The better description you got on this sort of thing, it'll cut you off if you use too long of one, but it will take quite a bit. Here's a little download thing for one. You don't have to go to all that other trouble. You can just left click on that and it will download it. And that's a brief description. That'll get you going, I believe. This is Nightcafe. So this is Doyle. Hootie. Bye. We're done.